Hey everyone, welcome back to Terramator Gardens. Today we're going to be talking about Plectranthus Guacamole, which is one of those plants that immediately draws attention. Soft, plump leaves and refreshing guacamole green, glass green with a velvety texture that invites touch. Sometimes called succulent Swedish ivy, it's not actually an ivy at all, but a unique member of the mint family, prized for its ornamental foliage and ease of care. This plant shines both indoors and out, whether you're filling in This plant shines both indoors and out, whether you're filling in the front of a mixed border or trailing it from a hanging basket. Guacamole adds a cooling tone to the garden palette. Its rounded, scalloped edge leaves are covered in fine hairs, giving them a silvery cast that makes them glow in the light. The stems are often tinged with purple, offering a soft contrast that adds depth and dimension. It doesn't just blend in, it enhances everything around it. Native to warm, tropical regions, this variety is extremely forgiving and resilient. It thrives in partial shade to bright and direct light, making it ideal for porches, windowsills, or even under trees where many other plants might struggle. In warmer zones, it grows as a perennial ground cover, but in colder areas, it's best treated as an annual or overwintered and indoors. Guacamole prefers well-draining soil and appreciates a bit of compost mixed in at planting time. Water it when the top inch of soil feels dry, but don't let it get too soggy. This plant is more drought tolerant than many think. Its succulent-like leaves hold moisture well, meaning you don't need to fuss over it every day, and I can personally attest to that. Prune it regularly to keep it bushy and full, and pinch back leggy growth to encourage more compact form. As a companion plant, it works beautifully alongside flowering annuals and herbs. In containers, it pairs well with petunias, calibrachoa, and coleus, or herbs like oregano and thyme. Its cooling tones act as a visual neutralizer, softening hot color blooms or contrasting beautifully with deeper purples and burgundies. While Plectranthus guacamole isn't grown for culinary or medicinal purposes, it can have a light, refreshing scent when crushed, especially in the heat. Like other Plectranthus species, it may also help repel some insects, making it a natural choice in their patios or entryways. In the garden or in a container, this plant grows fast, roots easily from cuttings, and is excellent for sharing. Simply snip a healthy system, remove the lower leaves, and place it in water or moist soil. Within days, you'll see roots forming. It's one of those plants that invites you to propagate and play with, making it great for beginners or kids learning to garden. If you're looking for a soft textured, cool tone foliage plant that doesn't ask for much but gives a lot in return, Plectranthus guacamole is a standout. Whether you're after a lush hanging basket, an elegant filler, or a low effort houseplant, this plant delivers softness, color, and structure, all with minimum care. It's a gentle, cooling presence that helps anchor your collection while asking very little in return. And that wraps up today's plant profile. Thanks for tuning in. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more.